This is Signal Hound talking RF, and today we're talking about the RFS44 antenna switch and how it works with the SM435 product line. Directly connect the RFS44 antenna switch to the SM435 product line via the GPIO port, allowing the speed of the SM435 to drive the RFS44. The parallel signals go straight to the switch itself. Therefore, there is no latency, and it is a direct line from the FPGA on the SM435 to the RFS44 antenna switch. Hello and welcome to Talking RF. Sean here with Justin Crooks, Senior Engineer at Signal Hound, and today we're talking about the RFS44 antenna switch. The RFS44 enables multi-band sweeping and direction finding to the SM435 product line. Can you talk about the relationship with the SM435 and how this switch, how they work together?
So with the SM435, which is the perfect match for this 44 gigahertz switch, you connect a cable from this GPIO port to the SM435, and I believe we carry that as an accessory. It's a standard DB15 cable. And that gives you the speed of the SM435 is actually what drives this box. The parallel signals are barely filtered and go straight to the RF switch itself. So there's nothing in the way, nothing slowing it down, nothing adding latency. It's pretty much just a straight shot from the FPGA on the SM435 to the RF switch in this box.
And why would someone who has an SM435 and needs an RF switch find that useful?
So if you have, let's say you have an application where you're switching between 4 different test ports on your manufacturing line or something. If you're using somebody else's mechanical switch, there's going to be latency sending the command to that switch, and then there's going to be maybe another 10 or 20 milliseconds of actual switch time, and then you're going to need some safety margin. So by the time you've made 4 switches there, you're looking at somewhere north of 100 milliseconds, maybe 150, 200 milliseconds if you want to be safe. Whereas if it's connected directly to the SM435, that switching is almost instantaneous. So you've dropped that hundreds of milliseconds to maybe hundreds of microseconds, including the time to capture the measurements you need.
And what about a military application?
This enables them to have, application-specific antennas. Maybe they have one that's especially good at monitoring for radar signals. Maybe another one is especially good at monitoring for, comms traffic. Maybe another one you want to keep an eye on an HF band or something. So this would allow you to, set up those sweeps so that, within a matter of, a few hundred, maybe a handful of milliseconds, you'd be able to know that, hey, there's activity here, let's focus on that, or hey, there's activity over here, and be able to, in software, if you're running like third-party software or something, then that software would be able to immediately take action based on activity seen there, and basically with no downtime because the switch is so fast.
Achieve ultra-fast data acquisition in the field and lab with the RFS44 antenna switch. Precise, efficient, and durable RF switching solutions in a versatile form factor from Signal Hound. If you have any questions for Justin about the RFS44, leave them in the comments section below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.